I'm here in the teaching and demonstration garden section of our gardens here at the Oklahoma County Extension Office. This has been an ongoing project for the last year or so as we try to develop some teaching and demonstration areas around our campus that can be utilized both for passive education as people just walk through our campus, coming and going for different activities, and also utilized as we do specific workshops as kind of a hands-on component for the education that we do. This happens to be the Oklahoma proven portion of our teaching and demonstration gardens here. And so all of the plants that you'll find in this portion of the gardens are Oklahoma proven plants. They've been highlighted over the past 21 years in the Oklahoma proven program. And the Oklahoma proven program or plant promotion program is highlighting trees, shrubs, annuals, and perennial plants that have proven to be hardy, well-adapted plants that will be successful in almost any Oklahoma landscape. The gardens here were a sponsorship from the Oklahoma City Community Foundation through support from them and then a number of other organizations. We were able to acquire enough funding to start building our landscape and teaching gardens here. One of the unique things about what we've done with these gardens here are not just put in nice looking plants, but we've actually done some labels. So we have some labels on our plants which allow people as they're passing through to engage with each plant and have a learning opportunity, whether they're just passing through passively, walking from our courtyard into our building, or in our classes as we're doing some of the teaching in our classes, we can utilize this signage as well. So what we have here is an example of some of the signage that you'll find in our gardens. It lists the year that this plant was in the Oklahoma Proven program. You can see 2012, Oklahoma Proven. It gives the common name, the botanic name, and the individual cultivar. What's unique about this signage, you find signage like this in almost any garden, but we've put QR codes on much of the plants. And so as you come through the landscape, you find a plant that you're interested in, you want to learn more about, you can actually take your cell phone, and now almost any cell phone camera can be used to scan the QR code, and it will instantly take you to the Oklahoma Gardening YouTube page where you can watch a specific YouTube video about this plant. So you'll learn from Casey about the care and maintenance of this specific plant. Our gardens here are open to the public, and we encourage anybody that's in the area, whether you live in Oklahoma City or you're just visiting the Oklahoma County, to come and look at our gardens. We want this to be an area where people can come and relax and learn about horticulture. And so we encourage you, if you're going to be in Oklahoma County, if you're going to be near our facility, to come and see what we have to offer.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.